Welcome to our tutorial on client-side navigation with dynamic routes using Next.js. First, we import the useRouter hook from the Next.js router package. The useRouter hook is essential for accessing the router object inside our functional components. Next, we define a function called navigateToProfile. Inside this function, we call useRouter to get access to the router instance. This instance provides us with the methods we need to program the navigation. We then declare a constant, userID, to simulate the dynamic segment of our route. In a real-world scenario, this would probably come from a user's input or another part of your application state. Using template literals, we can construct our dynamic route. Here, we're using a backtick to create a template string, inserting the userID into the part of the route that's dynamic, that is into the square brackets part of our file system route, users, id. The router object's push method is used to navigate to the constructed route. This method updates the browser's URL and renders the new page component without refreshing the page, providing a smooth client-side transition to the new route. Finally, we have a comment showing an example button element that, when clicked, would call our navigateToProfile function, which triggers the navigation. This button could be part of your React component's return statement, providing a user-friendly way to navigate to the profile page programmatically.